Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix call drops randomly after update issue in Samsung Galaxy A15. If you're using Galaxy A15 and you're facing the issue that your call randomly drops, so let's see some possible fixes for this. The very first thing you can try to clear cache of your phone app. Now for this, you just have to simply keep alarm press on your phone app, click on this info button or eye icon here and just go to storage, click on clear cache. You can also try to clear data. It will not delete any kind of your data. It will just delete temporary files of your app. Once you've done, just open your phone app again. Now here you might get all your data here. So it might help you to fix out your issue. If it still not work for you, so you can try to go to settings app, go to apps here, click on the search icon and just search for SIM. You might get SIM toolkit. You will get two different apps. The very first, open the first tab, go to storage and click on clear data. You can also try to clear cache. Once you have done, just do the same thing with your second app so your issue might have been fixed. If it's still not working for you, just go to settings app here, scroll down, go to general management, go to reset, click on reset mobile network settings, select the SIM with which you're facing the issue, click on reset settings, click on reset, enter your mm, password or your phone pattern here, and once you have done, your issue will be fixed and you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.